We've just set off. We left the hotel, checked out, loaded the bike up, had breakfast, and we've just left for Mersin. It's 285 miles away. We need to follow the road called D300 for God knows how long. But yeah, so quite a bit of a ride today. Looks like there's traffic already building up here, so we need to get out of town as soon as possible. I don't want to get stuck in here for too long. Temperature is quite high. It's really hot. I looked at the weather and it was showing in the red. It was showing in the red all the way to Mersin. So it's gonna be really hot today. And yeah, I've already taken out the thermal layer from my jacket. I can't take out any more layers. Quite a decent town. We stayed at the hotel, Ramada Hotel in the city. We paid £36 for the night for the two of us. I don't need to stop for fuel. I've got 4 bars, so that will do me at least say about 170 miles. Should do anyway. And this guy just put his thumbs up at me. So yeah, I don't know how much you can see, but again, this whole place is covered by mountains from all 4 sides. Didn't have much time to explore the town. So that was 283 miles left now. I'm gonna try to get on the airway here for a bit on this road anyway. This guy is half asleep. I don't know why there's 2 different roads. There's a road on that side, there's a road on this side. I don't know. See, like they're merged in as well. I have no idea. So can you see there? D300 is the road we need to follow for a while. I think this is a tourist town. There's a lot of tourism places, tourist places are all around. Last night when we got here, it was quite busy. Really busy actually. Oh, by the way, these guys don't know how to stay in their lanes. They're worse than people in England. Because if there's a bend like this, what they'll do from this lane, they'll come out into this lane. Like, for no reason at all. Even though this lane is empty, they'll still come out here. Like, while in mid-bend, they'll just come out. Like, I don't understand. Like, all the drivers do that. Coaches, trucks, cars, transits, vans, they all do that. Well, this guy is like, I think he's a firefighter or something. Yeah, looks like it, but he's got his lights on. If it was really an emergency, he should be able to go through a red light, but no, he's here at the red light. I don't know, the rules might be different in Turkey, I don't know. I've even seen ambulance with the lights on, stuck at lights or stopped at lights. It's really hot. There he is. A lot of the mosques, well, to be honest, all the mosques look beautiful. Every mosque is different, every mosque looks different. This guy selling dry fruits. I've got a roundabout coming up. Can you see the mountains? I can smell something burning. Maybe it's a road or something in the road, or actually there's a tarmac guy. There's a tarmac truck. That's right there. That's where I can smell it from. Or it could be my bag's on fire. Again, just to remind you, my speedo, it's in kilometers, not miles. It's a small little town called Sugru. S-U-G-R-U. Everything is all on the left side. So we're on the edge of the city. That looks like, yes. S-U-G... No, sorry. Not Sugru, but Surgu. S-U-R-G-U. Ladies and gents, we have made it to Mersin. The place that we looked at is 1 mile away. I'm not sure, it's not been booked. When we tried to ask them if it's safe parking, they didn't know what to say, because obviously they don't understand English. So we thought we'll just turn up and see the place ourselves and take it from there and see where we are, if we're going to stay there or not. So yeah, we're not far, 2 minutes away. It's still humid. There's one hotel right there opposite. So if that one doesn't work out, then we might have to come back here. But we shall see.
Whatever you want, I'll be whatever you want. Just tell me you love me or not, whatever it costs. I know I'm talking a lot, there's something I gotta get off. Don't wanna be this no more, I don't wanna drink no more. Always gotta do the most.
Apparently it's just up ahead, past the roundabout.
I'm the worst type, tell you everything that you heard right. Just so I can fuck on the first night. Feel like I'm losing hope, running from coast to coast. I don't know where to go, this all I've ever known. I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. No, did it die? Did it die? Did it die? I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I My aunt think I'm perfect, I know I'm not. My mama be worried, I told her stop. They know I did drugs and think that I'm off. Little do they know I never could stop.
I think it's on the right.
I'm pulling up late, back on my bullshit, she think it's a phase. I got
Yeah,
relations, I
this
gotta be
purple-ish
two different people
type of
inside
looking
my
building.
page. I'm sober, I'm an addict, I'm a low life, I got
And they
habits.
look like they have a secure car
Be
park.
average, really
So
tired of
the place is called U-Port
too bad you don't hear
Home.
I'm bad when I get too bored. Careful what you wishing for. I'm a stone cold killer.
I think we're gonna have to go find a place or something. Well, go speak to them. Boy.
I'm a stone cold killer. I'm a billionaire. I got my own cold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. Won't die. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? I'm a stone cold killer. I'm a billionaire. I got my own cold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die.
So guys, I had food. I had some sort of kebab, and for dessert, kunafe, tea, and some fruits. Not bad. I'll update you on everything else after this. Good morning, guys. So the breakfast is here. Omelets, cup of tea by the poolside. I'm gonna go in there in a bit. Yeah, this hotel is like, it's a garden, and look, somebody came to say hello. I think he smelled the food, but yeah. Temperature right now is just under 30 degrees. So, and it's only 12 o'clock yet. So it's gonna get even more hot. So the plan is to go for a haircut, take a look around, and then go in the swimming pool. So I will catch you in a bit. Hello guys, so we came to the beach to take some pictures of the bikes, and then something interesting happened. You're not really allowed to come over here, and well, you're not really allowed to ride your bike over here. However, we met some coppers, well, the police officers, and they basically said, we will let you do it, but we will escort you. So we've got some interesting guys here, and they're all subscribing to the YouTube channels, and they're really interested to know what we're doing, how we got here and everything else. So let me show you them, and yeah, we can say hello to them. We've got one here, we've got two more here. Guys, you want to say hello? So they said just because you've come all the way from there, we'll let you take pictures that you want to do, whatever you want to do. We'll escort you, and so yeah. It's just getting better and better. We've got all the coppers here. All these guys. Here. Let me make a video of him. We've got a big escort, big fans. King. He gave it some there in the second gear. Mm-hmm.